Hello guys, welcome to another video in which we would be discussing about Bosch washing machine error code E19 or F19. What does it mean and how to fix it? The error code E19 or F19 on a Bosch washing machine indicates that the heating time has been exceeded. This issue can occur for several reasons, including a problem with the heating element, temperature sensor, or power supply voltage. To resolve this issue, it's recommended that you contact Bosch support for a proper assessment and assistance because it's sometimes dangerous to deal with the heat temperature at all. In some cases, resetting the washer by turning it on and off might help, as well as removing debris from the drain pump. However, for a more comprehensive solution, contacting Bosch support is the best course of action. It is important to note that if the error code persists, it may require the expertise of a qualified appliance engineer to safely check and resolve the issue. Doing this by yourself without proper knowledge of the components might lead you to a self-caused injury.